WhatsApp voice messages suddenly too quiet? Let's fix low volume on WhatsApp step by step, updated for 2026. First, make sure your phone isn't connected to Bluetooth. If it's connected to earbuds or a car, audio may play there instead. Turn Bluetooth off and try the voice message again. While the voice message is playing, press the volume up button. Then open Control Center and make sure the volume slider is all the way up. If your phone is close to your ear, iPhone switches audio to the earpiece. Hold the phone away from your face and don't cover the top of the screen. Restart your iPhone and test again. Then open the App Store and update WhatsApp if an update is available. Dust can block sound. Gently clean the speaker with a soft brush or dry cloth, no water. That should fix low WhatsApp voice message volume. Like and subscribe for more quick phone fixes.